Shut up, bro. Shut up.
Shut up.
Why?
This couple was having an argument, but then this single friend decided to step in. The situation escalated quickly. You won't believe what happened next.
Alexia, shut up.
What?
That is disrespectful. Shut up.
Bro, what you...
Yeah,
Bro,
they
it was
tell
a
me-
friendly shut up. I always do
Personally,
that.
I don't take that. That's disrespectful. You need to either break up or leave him. That is so rude.
What?
Dead ass. That's
He's
kind of rude.
exactly. He's disrespecting
What do you mean?
you.
You're agreeing with her? What do you... we always...
Now he's
like,
yelling at you. Now he's yelling at you, bro. I can't.
Whoa.
Why would I? This is
This
an
is why-
abusive relationship.
Wow. Now that I think about it.
Yes.
Are you serious right... Bro.
Why would you?
Why are
treat
you
me like
yelling at
this?
her?
Alright.
What did I
This
do?
is why I
to
don't
you?
like when she's around, see?
Now he's trying to break
Now
up the
he
friendship.
doesn't like me.
How would you handle this situation?